I never thought I'd get to drive a car like this.
Welcome back everyone. Today's a bit of a different one. An old friend reached out and asked if I'd like to help take one of their cars down to the Yarra Junction car show, and I couldn't say no. Now this channel is mostly motorcycles, but honestly I love anything with an engine, and when the chance comes up to drive a classic like this old Ford Fairlane with a 351, you take it. So today we're heading over to my mate's place, pulling a few of the cars out of the garage and taking them down to the show. Come along for the ride and let's see what turns up. Guys, we've just jumped in the Fairlane. Old handbrake off. Down into drive. The old fella's struggling to put his seatbelt on. Taking 3 cars to the show. Old school rumble. Born in the 80s, so this was built before I was even alive. My first car was a VB SLE 253. It's a 351. It's bloody beautiful. The old creaks and rattles of an old car. All right, we'll catch up when we're at the show. We're just pulling up to the show and I can't help myself but give it a little rev every now and then. It just sounds so good.
How are you, buddy?
All right, yourself?
Yeah, good, man. Thanks for coming.
You all right? Nice to meet you,
Slowly
mate.
running out of room.
Yeah.
Just made it.
No worries. So we're just pulling in, gonna park up, and then we'll go for a look around. A little bit of a rev. Bloody awesome. Well, today was amazing. It honestly took me straight back to the 80s, sitting in the back of one of Dad's clapped out Holdens or Fords. A huge thank you to Michelle and Jack for inviting me out today. We had an absolute ball. Cars and bikes have always run through my veins, so let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more car content on the channel, maybe even a build in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow Mr. Excited on all his socials. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. And you can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Ride safe, drive safe, and I'll catch you in my mirrors.